Hello, let me introduce you to our new chemistry sample submission form. Up here, just like our old forms, your company name, address, any contact information that you like to provide us. If there's multiple email addresses, you can enter them here on this line, submission, and the client reference. If you have a PO, these are where to put it in. It will show up on your report so that you can track it for your billing purposes. Here, if you need 1-day rush testing or 2-day rush testing, please check these boxes, but also let us know. Contact sales or chemistry management, Dr. Wuller and Anita Fluick, to confirm that we can meet the rush testing before you send it in. If you send it in without confirming, we will try our best to meet it, but we will not guarantee to meet that testing unless we validate that we have the right equipment and chemicals on hand to do your testing. If you have a drug product, check here. If it's for GMP release testing, check here. If it's an R&D product, here. If it's not applicable, of course, this box. If it is GMP required, if it's an API or excipient, these boxes. If there's a specific USP monograph that you need us to follow, type it in this box. If it doesn't fit, you can include an email to us, again, to AFL or to chemistry department, Dr. Stephen Wuller, and we will get it logged in correctly. If you have the fill weight of your pill or capsule and you will like to provide that to us so that we do not have to bill you for it, please put that value here. If there's a serving size for your product, again, type it here. If it's in milliliters, write milliliters and also provide us the specific gravity, please. If we have to do those tests, again, we will have to charge you for them. Here you put your sample description, whether it's product number A, B, C, D, E, F, G, lot number 1, 2, 3. Put an X or a check mark on the test that you need checked. If you don't need carbohydrates, leave that box unchecked, but you do need TOC, then you would check that box. Again, if you need to take them off. If you have allergens, please specify which allergen you need testing. Do you need just gluten? Do you need gluten and soy, or do you need all 9? Big 9. If you need that, again, just put big 9. Emails also with these can help. If you need other tests, you can type them in here. So if you need sodium, just type in sodium and then click this box. If you have product number 1 and product number 2 and product number 3, and you only need the heavy metals on products number 2 and 3, this is how you would highlight that. If you need a specific reference, whether if it's a specific method for USP, testing for oils, put that here. If it's loss on drying or residue ignition, any of those types of methodologies which which the method is, type those here. We will follow those if we offer them. If not, I will give you a call to say which methods we run which are equivalent. If you have a specification for sodium, say sodium is less than 1,000 milligrams per serving, just type it in there and we will get it. Make sure if you do have the serving size, that we do know that your serving size is 100 grams or whatever it might be. If you have multiple specifications or units of reporting, please put them here. So for heavy metals, you may want to report those as ppm for the second sample. And for the third sample, you may want to record milligrams or micrograms per serving. If you have multiple different products, please make sure that you indicate, serving size here is 28 grams per serving. If there's any questions, by all means, ask. Please shoot us emails, telephone calls, any way that you would like to connect with us. We would be happy to answer your questions beforehand. It simplifies our life. It simplifies your life. Again, if any additional tests are required, put them here. You can overtype these if you need multiple different tabs. If there's any other questions, go ahead and give us a call. Thank you.